Welcome to new tutorial, guys. In this tutorial we are going to discuss about linear pattern and circular pattern in sketch environment. For that I am selecting a sketch in front plane. Simply draw one circle and I can select sketch pattern option from here from in command manager, or I can select it from going in tools, then sketch tools, and you can find both the option linear pattern and circular pattern in tool drop down menu as well. I simply select linear pattern option from command manager, and one property manager is coming on your left side. You can see in direction 1 and direction 2 boxes, x-axis and y-axis are select as default, and we cannot change those axes as we are doing pattern theme in sketch environment. So we have only two choice. We can only do pattern in x-axis or y-axis. For creating pattern, we have to first select, we have to check entity to pattern box and select arc. Then whatever direction we want that pattern, we have to simply give spacing and number of pattern in directions. Let's say I want pattern in x direction for now, and I want spacing of 3 cm, and total number of patterns is 10. So I can do linear pattern in x-axis by that. And if you check this dimension x spacing option, then after you press OK, you got automatically dimension between this pattern, that is 3 cm. For now I am uncheck this option. You can also give any angle from x-axis by clicking over here. You can see the changes see the changes as a preview in your display area. You have to always give positive angle, you can't give negative. Let's say if I cannot give lesser than 0 value, I have to give value between 0 to 360. Same way I can also pattern in y-axis as well. Let's say I want total number 5 and spacing of 3 cm, and I can flip the direction by clicking over here, or you can click on that arrow as well. So next important option here is instance to skip. So if you in this pattern, if you not want any of that pattern, then you have to simply select and skip. So whatever the pattern you have selected, those are automatically removed from your final pattern. Let's say I have removed total four patterns, and see those all four are removed from my final linear pattern. So let's say if you want to edit this pattern, then there is no option for editing pattern over here. If you select once again this linear sketch pattern, it gives you another linear pattern. You can't edit it from selecting the same option. So for edit it, you have to go in tools and then sketch tools, and you see here right now it's not available, but we have option over here, edit linear pattern and edit circular pattern. So for that edit this linear pattern, we have to at least select one pattern member, and then we have to go in tools, sketch tools, and select. You see now edit linear pattern option is available. Simply select it, and let's say I want all of those pattern members that I have removed previously. I want it back. Then I simply select on that one, simply delete it, right click and delete, and I press it. Yes, you can see the changes. Control C for whatever we have did. Now jump on to another option, that is circular sketch pattern. So for circular sketch pattern, first we have to determine the point where we want our pattern. So let's say I check this box and select origin. I want my pattern from origin, and then simply check this entity to pattern box, select my arc, and you can see the changes in your display area. Let's say I want total 8 number of arcs. You can see the changes in display area. I can also change my center point coordinates from giving value over here, or if you have specific radius, then you can also give this radius. If you give radius, or if you are going to change the angle, the position of that point will be changed. Let's say I want here not 6.33, I want 7.5 centimeter. You can see the position of that point is changed from its origin. I can also change the angle between these 2 points. Let's say I want 30 degree. So you can see the changes. For now I keep 0 degree, and same like linear pattern, we also have instant to skip option over here as well. Simply press, and whatever the pattern you not want, simply skip it. Press OK. Okay, the same like linear pattern, if you want to edit this circular pattern, we don't have any option over here. Simply select one of the pattern member, go to tools, go to sketch tools, and select edit circular pattern, and then you can change the number whatever you want to. You can also let's say I want those entity back, I can take it back. I change the number to 10 and press OK. You can see the changes. So this dimension is shown because in a dimension check box we have checked the dimension. I'll show you again. Go to tools, sketch tools, and edit circular pattern. You can see we have checked the dimension radius over here. That's why it's showing us a value of radius that we have given. If we uncheck it, it's not going to show us. So friends, that's all in this tutorial. See you in next tutorial. Thank you.